Hello everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I'm yet to do a live video on this Blazer. It is a 1971 and I am handling the sale of it. So if anybody has any questions, my phone number is in this video. Please feel free to reach out. It is an absolutely beautiful truck. Been repainted once in its life, same factory color. It does need tires. You'll notice that the tires are two different sets. I don't know why they did that. It's just very weird to me. It also, in my opinion, needs bigger tires. These are 33s. I think it needs 35s, like my orange Blazer, but to each their own, just personal preference and opinion. No rust on the truck whatsoever, no rust repair. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll show you guys the inside real quick. Oh, the wind is blowing today. Very, very clean inside. Very beautiful truck. Runs super, super good. The brakes do need some attention. They do stop the truck, obviously, but in order to be right and to stop better, I would suggest taking them apart, doing new wheel cylinders, new master booster, things like that. Just needs some love. The truck has been sitting for a little while, so whoever would get it would need to do that. Rumor has it that the mileage of 41, now 840, I've driven it a little bit, that is rumored to be absolutely accurate and original. Also have a new gauge face cluster, whatever you want to call this right here, brand new, that comes with the truck. That one has a few, scuffed paint, things like that. But there is a brand new one that comes with it. Everything underneath is super, super clean. Most of it's been redone. It could use some shocks probably. These shocks look a little bit older, and it has a super, super stiff ride, even stiffer than my orange one. But as for rust and everything like that, I will enclose some other videos that I took prior to this one. I mean, it is just immaculate underneath. Never any rust, never any repairs. It's just beautiful. So anyway, I hope this helps out some of the potential buyers. I am going to do a part of the video right now where I start it up so you guys can hear it run. So anyway, please stay tuned for all the pictures and videos at the end, some that I did the other day right after I washed it, very detailed. But anyway, if you are interested in this truck, please feel free to reach out. Have a blessed day, everybody. Take care. Thank you for watching.